Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this exercise, we will learn to use the Extrude, Fillet, Mirror. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we make, we will create this arc here with 24 millimeters of radius. This point here will be vertical with the midpoint, okay? And this point here horizontal with the midpoint. And we will create this line here and this line. This line has 15 millimeters of length, and the distance between this line here and the midpoint is 155 over 2. So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Go to create, select arc, center point arc, click here in the midpoint. The radius here, 24 millimeters. Make this arc here, okay. Make sure that this point here is vertical with the midpoint and this point is horizontal with the midpoint, okay. And now select a line, make this line here and another line here, and go to sketch dimension. This line here has 15 millimeters of length, and the distance between this line and the midpoint, 155 over 2. Okay. And now we will create this line here, this line here, and this one. This line here, this point is vertical with this point here. And the distance between this line here and the midpoint is 36 millimeters. And the distance between this line here and the midpoint is 56 over 2. Okay. So select line again, make this sketch here. You can make another line here to close this profile, okay? And go to sketch dimension. The distance here, 36 millimeters. And the distance between this line and this point here is 56 over 2. Okay, we made this profile. And now finish the sketch. We need to extrude this 85 millimeters. So go to extrude, select this profile, 85 millimeters, press OK. And here in this corner, we have a fillet with 18 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet, select this edge here, 18 millimeters of radius, and press OK. We made this. And now we will create this face here to create a sketch. And in this face, we will create this line here, this line, and a line here in the center, okay? So go to create a sketch, rotate this a little bit, select this face. You can rotate this to see the front plane. Go to create, select the project, include project, the selection filter, select the body, select this body here and press OK. I will hide this body a little bit. And here we will create this line. The angle between this line here and this one is 48 degrees. So select the line, click here on this point. We'll make this sketch here, okay? Go to sketch dimension. The angle here, 48 degrees. Okay. And the distance between this line here and the midpoint is 78 millimeters. So select this line and the midpoint here, 78 millimeters, and press OK. Finish the sketch. And go to extrude, select this profile here. We need to extrude this 21 millimeters. So show this body here, minus 21 millimeters. The minus is just to change the direction. The operation here is join and press OK. We made this. And now to create the other side of this part, go to create, select mirror, the object type, select the body, the object, select this body here, and the mirror plane, select the right plane, or this face, operation join, and press OK. We made this. And now go to create a sketch and select this face here. And this face, we will make this sketch here. So the first thing that we'll make, we will make this line here, and we'll make an arc and another line here. And the center of this arc, the distance between the center of this arc and this edge here is 35 millimeters. So go to create, select the project, include the project, the selection filter, specified entities, select this point here and this point here, and select this point here, sorry. Let me remove this point, select this point here and this one. And select this line here, okay, this edge. And here select line, make a line here, and make an arc, and another line here. Make sure that this two line is vertical and tangent with the arc, okay? And go to sketch dimension. The distance between the center of this arc and this edge here is 35 millimeters. And here in the center, we have a circle with 21 millimeters of diameter. So select the circle, click here in this point, 21 millimeters, and press OK. And finish the sketch. We needed to extrude this 21 millimeters. So go to extrude, select this profile, minus 21 millimeters, operation join, and press OK. And that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.